started, let's talk about that. So the moment you get started in the Legacy Builder program, you get 4 income streams immediately. You guys, so you can launch a business today, launch and learn today, right? And then you can learn and earn, and you immediately get 4 income streams when you get started. You're going to learn how to launch to profit in 7 days. We have a strategy that you can learn. You're going to learn how to automate your online business. That's the freedom, my friend. You're going to learn how to make passive income. You're going to learn how to build a reoccurring income stream through your email list. So you're not adding more hours to make more money. You're going to learn how to create your own community program product if you want. You're also going to learn how to build a legacy and make 6 and 7 figures online with a fully automated business. And also, when you get started today, you're going to get access to our digital growth community, but you're going to also get access to a Canva crash course, which we teach you how to create content inside of that. You're going to get access to my blueprint of how I made my first million in 17 months. Okay. You're going to get the complete blueprint of that. You're going to get the 30-day market strategy growth plan. You guys, this is exactly the strategy I followed when I launched my TikTok account in September of 2022 and how I grew my business. And I'll share this with you. I launched my TikTok in September of 2022, made $7,000 the first month and $14,000 the second month. I made $21,000 off the TikTok platform before I even had 1,000 followers. So there is a strategy behind it. You just need to learn it. And then you're going to get how to start your own online business. You're going to get 200 digital product ideas. So if you even want to maybe someday create your own product, we will show you exactly how to do that. You're going to get the message, mindset, and marketing to your first $1 million. And then you're also going to get the Build Your Invisible Empire training. There's actually a strategy inside of that to show you how to make 100K your first year. Building a faceless brand. And you guys, you get all of that for only $900. And you get 4 income streams. So $900, and then you get the ability to have income streams worth of $1,900 worth of products. What if you just sold 1 a day of each of them? That's $1,900 a day. Heck, what if you just sold 1 a week of each of them? That is $1,900 a week. What can you do right now in your life to make $1,900 a week following a 2-hour workday? Now, if that is not in your budget, we also have the digital mastery. It's only $600. And with that, you still get 3 income streams. Or we have the passive daily pay blueprint. And with that, you get 2 income streams. And then we have the launch pad. And with that, you get 1 income stream. So we do have many different products that go with many different budgets, because I understand currency is different in many different countries as